Yeah, riding around in my 2000 Z28 Camaro. About to put this Racetronix hot wire on it. One thing I don't see is the before and after videos of putting a hot wire into the car. So what I have right now is the Walboro 255 fuel pump that I installed, and I noticed I haven't been getting enough. It seems like it's been starving for fuel pressure. So right now I'm gonna do a little run right before I do the hot wire install, and just let you see how it's running, and then we're gonna go from there. So here's after the heads cam and intake. And this right here is just what it looks like. I was running before that. Had a little low traction for a minute. Take the traction off. Try that again. This is how I'm running without it. So I have to get my fuel low, so don't say nothing about that. I'm about to take the fuel pump out. Before the hot wire, it seemed like it's supposed to have been spinning right there, but we'll see. We'll see what that hot wire, that Racetronix hot wire do. So this is what I'm running like prior to the hot wire install.